Hello, this is Jason, and I'm at the Ariston Hotel. And here's a little look out the window at the pool. 5th floor. Very nice view out of the hallway here. Let's go find the room. Sawadee Ka. 5001, I think, down the end here. Another one where you gotta put the key card in. Bathroom. All right. Got carpet in this one. A mirror. Closets. Safety box. Refrigerator, little kettle. Oh, get my stuff off. All right, nicer TV than the last one, even though I have not used a TV in a while. A little desk, nice chair. Table and chairs here, and let's check out the view. Ooh, view of the pool. Much nicer than the other one. And this is similar in price too. Now, the real test. Bed. Oh, not as nice as the other one, but not horrible. And the pillows are acceptable. All right, and the bathroom. We got a bathtub in this one. Take a bath. So, I think this one's a little nicer. And the last hotel did not have the best hot water. Well, this one, yeah, that's hot. So that's good. Very nice. And this one is located on Soi 24, which is very conveniently located close to the Prompong BTS. All right, going down to the lobby just to show you what that's like. You have to go through the lobby, which is very nice. What do they have here? There's a hair studio. I don't know what's over there. Big Ben. Oh, that's where the breakfast is. Oh, and breakfast was also included in the price, they told me. Alright, so here is some breakfast. Let's see what they got. Braised pork. Stir-fried veggies and shrimp. Bacon that's not crispy. Chicken sausage. Ham. Some rolls. Juices. And toast station. Got some coffee. Salt and some fruits. So pretty good looking breakfast. That's pretty good. So at 40, this is about $5 a night more. And so this is different too, where you have to take 2 elevators to get all the way to the ground floor. So you kind of have a buffer between the main lobby and the outside lobby. So it's pretty cool. And show you where. Got some ATM machines. A little bakery. Ariston Hotel. They got some ramen place here. Very nice. And you can see down at the end of the street, red light. It's not too far, maybe 200 yards. So that is the Ariston. And I think it's a pretty good place to stay in Bangkok. So that was a quick look at the Ariston, which I would recommend over the Arowana, personally. I mean, time will tell after my week-long stay here, but so far I'm liking it better. All right, that's all I got for now. Talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even think about it.